So my sister's gonna be trying to solve this Rubik's Cube. Alright. You did it? She gave up. She gave up. Alright, well, I guess that's the video for the third video today. I need to stop with these kinds of videos in just one day. Guys, keep reminding me to not make so many videos in one day, y'all. Please. Alright. Now I guess I'll be just for a little bit. Yo, I'm magic. I'm moving this with no hand, y'all. Just with my mind. And only this finger. Alright, y'all. So there we go. My Rubiks game is solved. Totally. You know what? Here's the mother flipping key.